Hello students, following question is a 1 mark question from topic of unit processes for surface water treatment, and it is from environmental engineering. And in this question it is asked that air binding phenomena in rapid sand filters is caused due to, and 4 options are given. Now this is the big problem of rapid sand filters. Now what happens that when the rapid sand filter is new, there is no problem with the pores of filter media, and they are open for flow of fluid through them after filtration. But as this filtration process continues, these pores of filter media gets blocked, because it may happen that some impurities might get stuck in those pores, which results in increased frictional resistance to flow. Now when there is increase in flow resistance, the water demand of layers beyond the top sand layer is not met, as a result of which the layer below it tries to suck water from top layer, as a result of which water begins to flow without any filtration. But because of this suction, the negative head increases because of action of frictional resistance as well as this suction. Now as this negative head increases, that results in a release of air from water that is flowing through this filter media, and this release of water forms the air binding around the sand grains. This formation of air binding phenomena is an indication that now backwashing is required for effective removal of impurities in rapid sand filter. Hence it is caused by excessive negative head, making A as the best choice for question number 19. Thank you.